Yogic module to fight COVID-19. Many countries in the world are fighting with COVID-19 from November 2019, and there is a death toll of men as well as much research. The government of India is daily announcing that the country is fighting with COVID-19, a disease. How to fight with a disease? As a student of history and teacher of history, I had taught about many wars from about 4000 BC to this day. It is a challenge and response. At every stage, man encountered a challenge and responded. The quantitative and qualitative metrics of results of a war vary. It is natural. We must fight the battle. I advise my students of history that battle must be fought in the battlefield. After retirement, I have become a yoga teacher and researcher. My understanding of the human body and mind had a revolutionary change with the entry into the field of yoga. With this background, I suggest to this yoga module. Nature is the battlefield. We are fighting with the elements of nature. Man is not away from nature. He is homogeneous with nature. But from 1750 AD onwards, under the guise of science and technology, man has developed heterogeneity with the nature. The man raped the nature, destroyed the natural systems, torn the wheels of mystery, and has become a barbarian under the name of the industrialized and technological society. It is resulted in the change of seasons, value of metabolic efficiency, immunity, and longevity of man changed. Man started imprisoning himself in AC rooms and dormitories. He is running away from the mother nature and embracing shadows of nature through the videos and films. He forgot his inherent potentials to become a god and had sunk to the level of an animal. The man is asymmetric to the nature's law, body law, and social law. This asymmetry led to the imbalance in nature. COVID-19 is not a total war or integral war. It is only warning to human race. In this war, nature is making internecine war. Nature killing nature with nature, killing the nature through the nature, through the media of nature. How to save the man and nature? There are some weapons. After knowing the battlefield, man must know about the weapons to use. Calm mind, good breathing, mobile body are three weapons which are more powerful than the nuclear bombs. Man must make his equipment ready, useful, and functional. Three measures must be followed. Have timely food with proper exercise. Don't go for yoga. Yoga is an uncommon practice for an uncommon goal. Now man is to fight with a common problem, being a common man. Common sense sharpens the human mind. Timely food and exercise makes your body agile, efficient, and prolific. Have breathing 5 times a day, each time 5 minutes. You segment your daily timetable into 5 equal parts. In each part, from awakening to sleep, you breathe 5 minutes slowly, deeply. You can improve your biomagnetism and immunity. The third one is prayer. It's an important measure to keep the mind set calm and clean. Don't go for meditation purposefully. Pray your own name, or God, or devil, or the mother nature. Bless me with calmness. Promote immunity. Sanction the grace of peace. Sit 10 minutes for each time, 3 times a day. Sit calm and pray. Finally, bless yourself. Dear friends, do not imprison yourself in houses. Enemy is in the nature, with the nature, for the nature, and by the nature. You are not different from nature. Live freely, but not frivolously. Live peacefully, but not with stress. Make your body powerful, but not vehement. Make your breath functional, but not mechanical. Face enemy and score victory. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, మృత్యోర్మా అమృతంగమయ. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. అసతోమా సద్గమయ, తమసోమా జ్యోతిర్గమయ, మృత్యోర్మా అమృతంగమయ. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. అసతోమా సద్గమయ, తమసోమా జ్యోతిర్గమయ, మృత్యోర్మా అమృతంగమయ. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. బ్లెస్ ఎవ్రీ డే. బ్లెస్ మీ విత్ calmness. Promote immunity. Sanction the grace of peace.